Today we are discussing question and answers for N10-008. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, please go to the playlist provided in the description box. A technician is documenting an application that is installed on a server and needs to verify all existing web and database connection to the server. Which of the following tools should the technician use to accomplish this task? Option A, TrackNet. Option B, IP configuration. Option C, NetStat. Option D, NSLookup. The correct answer is option C. A technician is assisting a user who cannot access network resources when the workstation is connected to a VoIP phone. The technician identifies the phone as faulty and replaces it. According to the troubleshooting methodology, which of the following should the technician do next? Option A, implement the solution. Option B, test the theory. Option C, duplicate the issue. Option D, document the findings. Option E, verify functionality. The correct answer is option D. Which of the following OSI model layers contains IP headers? Option A, presentation. Option B, application. Option C, data link. Option D, network. Option E, transport. The correct answer is option E. A small office is running Wi-Fi 4 APS and neighboring offices do not want to increase the throughput to associated device. Which of the following is the most cost efficient way for the office to increase network performance? Option A, add another AP. Option B, disable the 2.4 GHz radios. Option C, enable channel bonding. Option D, upgrade to Wi-Fi 5. The correct answer is option C. A network technician is troubleshooting an application issue. The technician is able to recreate the issue in a virtual environment. According to the following troubleshoot methodology, which of the following actions will the technician most likely to perform next? Option A, gather information from the initial report. Option B, escalate the issue to a supervisor. Option C, implement a solution to resolve the issue. Option D, establish a theory to probable cause. The correct answer is option D. Which of the following types of data center architectures will most likely to be used on large SDN and can be extended beyond the data center? Choose two. The options are ISCSI, option B FCOE, option C 3-tiered network, option D spine and leaf, and option E top of rack switching. The correct options are option C and D. The network technician reviews an entry to this syslog server and discovers the following passage from the switch. Spanning tree port 1 blocked. Which of the following describes the issue? Option A, a loop was discovered and the impact was mitigated. Option B, an incorrectly pinned cable was disconnected. Option C, the link local address on the port is incorrect. Option D, the port was shut down and it needs to be reactivated. The correct answer is option A. The company has just migrated its email service to a cloud station. After the migration, two-thirds of the internal users were able to connect to their mailboxes, but the connection fails on the other one-third of the internal users. Users working externally are not reporting any issues. The network administrator identifies the following output collected from an internal host. Please have a look at the output. Which of the following verification tasks should the network administrator perform next? Option A. Check the firewall ACL to verify all required AP addresses are included. Option B. Verify the required router PAT rules for properly configured. Option C. Confirm the internal DNS server is replying to request for the cloud station solution. And option D. Validate the cloud console to determine whether they are unlicensed requests. The correct answer is option A. The network technician was hired to harden the security of a network. The technician is required to enable encryption and create password for AP security through the web browser. Which of the following would best support these requirements? Option A ESP, option B WPA2, option C IPsec, option D ACL. The correct answer is option B.